Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Supratim Ghosh. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So this is Tata Altroz, which you know, the gold standard hatchback. It comes with 3-cylinder 1.2 liter Revertron engine. Comes both petrol and diesel variant. So it has a nice LED type looks headlamp. I will show you the back lamps of this car. Back lamps are quite superior. It's an Altroz. Pretty much good. I love the body of this car. It's quite robust body. Let's show you the engine of this car. So the engine comes like this. It's pretty much organized, it's clean. See, BS6 engine, Cameron battery. The quality of this body is pretty much good. See it's pretty robust. Let's show you the back seat of this car. Back seat is quite good. The seat is fully back. See, I am getting space. Headroom is also quite good. See the headroom. It's not touching the floor. Looks like this from the back side. This car. Let's show you the boot space. Show you the boot space. See the boot space. It has enormous amount of boot space. I think it's spacious than Tiago or Tigor. And here comes the stepney wheel. It's cool. Show how it looks from the driving seat. Driving seat is quite comfy. It's really comfy. Adjust it to my position. It's pretty much good. See the space is quite nice. Comes with the touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control. It has 2 airbags, one on this side and one on co-passenger seat. So it's a very nice car to buy. The price of this car is around 6.5 lakhs to 8.9 lakhs. It's pretty nice. So I'm showing you the driving review of this car. Starting sound is pretty much good, and I also love this one. Let's start. Turning radius of this car is pretty much awesome. Show you the power of this car. Power is very much nice. This car generates around 85 PS of power and 113 Newton meters of torque. The brakes are pretty awesome of this car. It comes with ABS and EBD. So show you from the right side. It has two airbags as common. The driver's side and the co-driver's side. Let's show you the pickup. Pickup is very nice. It takes quick pickup. I'll show you the suspension. I'm through a bumpy road. See, suspension is quite good. Really love the suspension of this car. Let's see how the overtaking power comes with this car. Pretty much awesome. Car reaches 70 at no time. And the good thing about this car, I'll wanna share that the door opens 90 degree. That you will find in no car. In no car the door will open 90 degree. But Tata Altroz opens 90 degree. So the competitors of this car are Hyundai i20, Maruti Suzuki Baleno and Toyota Glanza. Show you the power once more. Power is pretty much good. I love this car. It gives power and safety, both. Brakes are pretty much awesome. The body of this car is very robust. I really love the body. It comes with touchscreen infotainment system. It has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth and all. And it also has the automatic climate control AC, which I really love it. This car also comes with Eco Mode and Cruise Control. Okay. Let's show you the turning radius. Turns very nice. Really. Now let's see how it goes. So in first gear, it drives around 42 kilometers. I am going to second gear. Second gear, it reaches 60 kilometers in no time. It's pretty much powerful. In third gear, let's see how much does it goes. It reaches 70 at no time. Really love the power of this car.